For Eid al Fitr, we fast and then we celebrate Eid. What about
Yeah.
this Eid? What do we do to celebrate it?
So we do this because we are commemorating that supreme incident in which Abraham was asked to sacrifice his son in his dream. So that is what we commemorate on when we do Qurbani or animal sacrifice on Eid day. So this is like commemorating the fact that Abraham did not withhold his son when he thought he was asked for God. So we, in that symbolism, we continue that symbolism by telling ourselves that we are sacrificing this animal just as Abraham had gone to do so for his own son, but he was not allowed to do so because this was not what God wanted. So, just as God gave him uh, a goat or a sheep in the place of his own son, so that he could continue with that and then symbolize that it is as if he has actually sacrificed his son in the form of that goat, again conveying this fact that God, if you would like my own life, it's going to be presented to you. So when we do this, we are basically remembering that incident which Abraham did, and at the same time imagining ourselves that this animal is not an animal. This is my own self, which is being right there, is right in front of us, and we are just doing it as a commitment to God, as a symbolism to God. That today, God, I have committed myself to you by giving this animal in sacrifice to you. Tomorrow, if my own life is needed, I shall not abstain.